de basa ramaita kuvatambira saka yatinge pasi chigare tinya kuti akande shiro shidoko mukatimu kuti chekutenda basa ramaita kuvatambira tichitambira vayene kudai izvi zvinofarisisa ngekuti zviro zvakanaka tichinonge tichipindirana muzvakanaka. Uyu ndiye administradori wedistrict yeManika. Ndatenda.
Muito obrigado e estou aqui com o meu irmão aqui, Ministro dos Transportes e Infraestrutura do Zimbábue, para basicamente darmos continuidade na implementação das decisões que foram tomadas pelo Presidente Filipe Jacinto Nyusi e o Presidente Magala. Para nós melhorarmos a infraestrutura, a mobilidade e a acessibilidade. E nós estamos comprometidos com essa diretiva e nós viemos para ver no terreno o que devemos fazer, como vamos fazer e quando é que vamos fazer, que é já. E como um primeiro passo que nós implementamos foi a abertura da fronteira 24 horas. Recebemos a nossa chegada de informação da alfândega e das autoridades tributárias, da autoridade tributária e da polícia sobre o movimento das pessoas, bens, durante esse período de 3 dias que se abriu a fronteira para Impressionante. Impressionante, os números subiram grandemente. Só, portanto, no período de 3 dias, das 22 até às 6, que era o período para fechar, já se registram milhares de movimentos. Então, isso é contra zero.
The state-of-the-art railway line is now going straight into Zimbabwe, courtesy of our good friends, where we are collaborating, working together. And in terms of the time frame, we are talking of 3 months, and we must deliver. The good thing that we have about our leaders, they don't just talk, but they run with the vision. So this is what we're also going to be doing, and maybe that you will also see, not ending in Mutare, but we are progressing to Harare, also attending to the cautions that we have along the railway line. Where we can straighten it, we'll straighten it, and it will proceed. It's not for this side of the region, but will also proceed to the north, where we are linking the lines then in Kafue right into Zambia. So this is the gateway, this is the corridor, and the direction to Beira, where we'll then have to enjoy the Beira port. So we are saying this is the gateway, and we work together with the other ministers, Zambia. We also have our counterpart in Botswana, so that we have that synergies at the end of the day. But I'm happy Honorable for the same coach with facilities, maybe better facilities than what I saw, because I would have learned from that. And what is also exciting is the energies in our permanent secretary. I was saying to my colleague, the minister, said, no, you can see the energy, the zeal in the PS. He said, no. Yeah, this is also a new PM saying. He said, no, mine is also new. But the level of energy that we must commend you. Continue directing your teams. You are the highest in terms of the pinnacle in the service, in the public service. So you must champion and direct accordingly your teams. And we are happy that you run and execute the mandate as alluded to by my fellow colleague minister. So what we have witnessed here, you saw this one presenting, you also saw Forbes presenting. What we want as government, the two governments, is a desired state-of-the-art border post. This is what we desire. So at the end of the day, is how we then consolidate, collaborate, to come up with one product. And precisely, this is what we are doing. So we invite all the players, so that as we then put together the technical teams and those who have got interest of that border post, we come up with a vibrant border post at the end of the day. So we're not here to adjudicate, to say this one is doing that, but we wanted to hear your views, so that as we then sit, our permanent secretaries will take on board, document. We could see the Women's League, the Youth League, the Frelimo. So I was saying, Viva Frelimo, and what they were seeing is quite exciting. They were saying whether they like Frelimo or not, to continue to be there at home. So we have a similar song in our backyard. But I want to just say thank you so much for receiving us. Yes, we might not be coming from the same political background, but allow us to say now the two great leaders of Zimbabwe and Mozambique. It's actually grounded on the liberation struggle. And we actually, this was our safe haven in terms of crossing over, getting training and route to other destinations. So we are quite grateful as a nation. And I must also commend the great leader, Comrade Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, who is our visionary leader. Some of us were just ambassadors. We are conduit pipes when it comes to the implementation of decisions. They sit together with the great leader, Comrade Felipe Jacinta Nyuse, to say how can we run our two countries. And precisely, we are just implementing what we've been directed.
Right now, this Forbes Machipanda one-stop border post. So this is the solution, the post that we are going to do. So from this the map. This is the complete map. We are right now here. We are right up here. See, this is the Mozambique, the Mozambique. Okay. So because right now there's congestions which is lining in this road from the Mozambique side to Zimbabwe side. So due to the traffic and the customary clearance procedures, and also the single bridge, and also many other issues that we are facing. So the main issue, one of the biggest problems is the parking area. We don't have the sufficient parking area. That's why the vehicle, the trucks, the cargo have to be passed on this road. So we need to find the further solution to need a big space for parking areas, and so that's to solve the problem completely. Because nowadays, why the congestion is reduced, for this to open to 24 hours, definitely that's some effect. And also another reason that for lithium minerals, those days are reduced because the price is down. That's why the volume, lithium volume is from the 1 million ton, now maybe half, maybe less now. So that's why the traffic is also less.